I want to give you a quick tip on how to handle a display issue like this with this oscilloscope. So it can't seem to display anything and make any sense of the true waveform. So here's how to fix it. So the scope I'm talking about here is an FNISR DSO152, and it's a handy little pocket scope. Costs about 38 bucks, and there's a link in the description, and it will work if you had it set up correctly. And so we can cycle through here with this button. So now we're going to look at the scale, and you can see, well, we want to get it something about like that. But you see now it's just kind of going berserk. And then this period here. And whatnot. So I find that this is just really not intuitive. And so we can try different things. It's already on AC. Obviously putting on DC is not going to help. But the mode is auto. Now so we can cycle through. We can even put it in auto mode and see if the oscilloscope can find a solution. But as you can see here, it just cannot do it. So let's move on to how to really get this fixed. Okay, so it looks like it is not going to find it. So what I'm going to do is disconnect the lead here. And then press and hold the calibrate button, this button, to calibrate it. And then press run and let it calibrate. Alright, now let's hook this back up. I've set this back up to my source. Let's try the, well, we could try and cycle through and see if we could maybe manually try and figure this out. Okay, we got it manually. All right, so that is a bit frustrating. So if this happens to you and it just goes bananas, then the rule of thumb is disconnect it and then recalibrate the oscilloscope. So I was able to get this manually. As you can see, we're at about 50. Well, it's kind of, the frequency is, it's supposed to be 60, but you can see that it's going as low as 54. And then this is an inverter. This is a pure sine wave inverter. And so the signal is not perfect, but at least I was able to correct this crazy mode that it was in. Now, just for kicks and giggles, let's turn the auto mode and see if anything is different. All right, so that puts it back where it was, basically where I had it manually.